Hello, welcome to this video lecture. In this lecture, we will be understanding about unconformities, a topic from Unit 4 of Engineering Geology in Remote Sensing subject CE 405. An unconformity is defined as a surface of erosion or non-deposition occurring within a sequence of rocks. It indicates a gap or an interval of time in the geological history of the area during which normal process of deposition was interrupted. Means it is a plane that represents a time gap during which no deposition of sediments take place but only erosion occurs. This diagram in the slide shows a layered sequence where AB represents unconformity between layer 2 and 5. Layer 1 and 2 gets deposited first, so that they are older layer of rocks. After the deposition of layer 2, the process of deposition was interrupted and the layers 3 and 4 which get deposited are uplifted and exposed to conditions of erosion and gets eroded. So layer between 2 and 5 represents unconformity. This is followed again by subsidence and deposition, during which new beds 5 then followed by 6 and 7 gets deposited over the eroded surface. So this AB represents unconformity between layer 2 and 5, during which no deposition occurs, only erosion occurs. The rock formation lying above and below the unconformity represents different conditions under which they have been formed. Origin of unconformity. If the process of deposition remains uninterrupted for considerable time, then layers will be deposited in order. As seen in this diagram shows two types of sequences, conformable sequence and unconformable sequence. This is conformable sequence where layers are deposited in order. Layer 1, 2, 3, 4 gets deposited in an order. Older beds occupy the position at the base of the sequence and the younger beds are on the top. So layer 1 is the older and 4 is the younger one. Such type of deposition is called conformable sequences. But if in any case the deposition is interrupted at certain stage and exposed to erosion, then top layer will be eroded. This is followed by the phase of deposition of new beds over eroded surface. The sequence to form is not conformable. They are unconformable sequence as seen in this diagram. This diagram represents unconformable sequence. There is unconformity between layer 2 and 4. Layer 3 gets eroded and immediately after layer 2, layer 4 gets deposited. So this surface of erosion between layer 2 and 4 is known as unconformity. So such type of sequence is unconformable sequence. Unconformities are resulted due to tectonic activities in the form of uplift and subsidence of land, and also due to change in the process of deposition of sedimentary rocks. There are four main types of unconformity: angular unconformity, disconformity, non-conformity and local unconformity. Angular unconformity. It is characterized by different inclinations and structural features above and below the surface of unconformity. In this diagram, AU represents angular unconformity. The sequence below the unconformity may be steeply inclined, folded and faulted. As seen in this diagram, the sequence is folded and faulted. The sequence above the unconformity represents younger formation and may be either horizontal or gently inclined. In this diagram, the sequence deposited above the unconformity are horizontal. Since there is angular variation in the deposition of two sequences, such type of unconformity is known as angular unconformity. This photograph also shows angular unconformity. This is unconformity. The layer below the unconformities are inclined, while the layer above the unconformity are horizontally deposited. So such type of unconformity is known as angular unconformity. Disconformity. It is also known as parallel unconformity, in which the beds lying below and above the surface of erosion or non-deposition are almost parallel. Here D represents disconformity, and the layer below and above the unconformity are deposited parallel, but they are deposited at different period of time. In this, there is generally no folding, faulting or tilting of strata. This photograph shows disconformity where the layers above and below the disconformity are almost parallel. Non-conformity are depositional surface that separates younger sedimentary of volcanic rocks from underlying older crystalline rocks, which may be metamorphic or igneous rocks. This MC represents non-conformity. The layer below the unconformities are igneous rocks, while the layer deposited above the unconformity are sedimentary rocks. So, in other words, we can say that it is the surface of contact between the rocks having different mode of occurrence. This photograph shows non-unconformity. The layers above the unconformities are sedimentary rocks, while below the unconformity are metamorphic rocks. Local unconformity, also known as non-depositional unconformity, it is similar to disconformity but local in extent. Means such type of unconformity is traceable only in a small area or in a few rock formation of given area. Such type of unconformity represents short period of non-deposition. The age difference between overlying and underlying bed is very less. Now, what is the engineering consideration of unconformity? Unconformity indicates the discontinuity in the sequence of the rocks. The behavior of rocks above and below the unconformity show the variation in their mechanical properties and hence affect the stability of the project. Unconformity marks the weak contact, which can also allow percolation of water and can act as a fault plane toward force imposed from them. Therefore, identification of unconformity in the field is very important before implementation of any civil engineering project. So, this is all about unconformities. Thank you very much.